Hi everyone! For today's video, I wanted to share this incredible tool that I've been using for my own social media content calendar. So I remembered before I shared you this social media content calendar template for making contents and sending them to your client for their approval. But now I am using Notion, and if you're interested or if you wanted to have your own copy, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be sending you a copy through your email. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is my social media content calendar using Notion. So as you can see, it's personalized for me. I have my logo here, my picture, and then different links. Then the important pages. So I also have different pages for the content ideas. So whenever I have to do bulk content creation. Then I have here my brand guidelines, and then if you scroll down, I have here my content calendars for 2024. So I already have calendars until May, and I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of the February content calendar. So here, it looks like the same as the social media calendar template that I sent you before, but better. And you can organize your contents better as well for different clients. So, syempre, for this content calendar, this is just for one client. So, whenever you're sending the calendar for them to review, it's going to be different calendars for different clients. So as you can see, you have here the title, the status, if it's already scheduled, or if it's for backlog, or if it's already posted. Pwede din kayo mag-add ng additional property. So say for example, it's for approval, or if the client already approved it, then pwede nilang i-change yung drop-down menu for it to be approved. Then, whatever the date is for posting and what the platforms you'll be posting the contents to. And then, the caption. Okay, so there, that's basically it. And then, here I also added a URL for the material. So as you can see for this one, this is a Canva material. But you can always add another column. And you can always add another row at the bottom. Okay, so let me know if you also want a quick tutorial of how you're going to use Notion. I'll be sharing something for you. But for the meantime, if you want a copy of the template, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be sending it to you via your email address. So let me show you the other pages. So like this one, for example, the important page, if you're going to click it, it will direct you to a different page. And then here, I also have different pages for it. So say for example, this one, mockups that I am doing. So here you can see the to-do list and so on and so forth. So if you wanted to go back, you can just click the main page here, or you can click it here at the top. So whatever you like. Other than making social media calendar content using Notion, you can use Notion for a lot of different things. So number one would be project management, and then organizing all your business needs. So say for example, you have a small team and you wanted to organize everything, your standard operating procedure, your documents list, or anything that you wanted to add on your team space, you can use Notion. So it's basically best for project management. I'm really obsessed with Notion. And mind you, this is not a sponsored video, so I just love Notion. That's why I'm sharing it to you. And other than using it for project management and using it for your business document standard operating procedure, you can also use Notion to make your portfolio. So I think if I'm going to rate it, it's almost the same as using Canva for your portfolio website. So I also like Notion for that. If you want a copy of the template for your portfolio website using Notion, let me know in the comment, and I'll also be sending you a copy on your email address, because it's a link, it's an editable link. So whenever I send you that link, you can use it as template, then you can edit it for using your own branding, using your own pictures, of course. So that's basically it, and let me know if you have any questions, and if you haven't already, please click the follow button for you to receive, for you to get more videos from me sharing tips and tricks or tutorials for freelancers or social media managers. And that's it, and thank you for watching. You have a good day.